Okay, shall we start? Mm, Welcome everyone, and this is our data communication network laboratory mini project. Our project title is Network and Password Sniper by using a Wireshark. Our team members are Kanmani, Sai Kumar, Bharat Pandyan, and myself. So we done the project by using the Wireshark software. So the Wireshark, it is an open source network protocol analysis software. So it was started by Gerald Combs in 1918. Uh, Government agencies, corporations, educational institutions use Wireshark for troubleshooting and teaching purposes. There isn't a better way to learn networking than to look at traffic under the Wireshark microscope. So the now here we are going to see about the uses of Wireshark. It is a packet sniffer and analyzing tool. It captures the network traffic on the local network and stores the data from offline analysis. Cyber security professionals often use Wireshark to trace connections and view the contents of suspected transaction. And the further process about the network sniping is explained by our teammates. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat. Now I explain that what is network sniffing. Network sniffing or sniffer or monitors network traffic from information. Network administrators can use this information to help optimize their environment. The network function as a collection of nodes such as your smartphone, laptops, and server, etc., which transfer information over a networked connection. To speed these transfers along their route, networks use packets of data, chunks of data that are broken down and then reassembled after transmission is complete to help avoid network congestions. The rest of the things will be explained by Kanmani. Now he present the screen and he tell the process how it works.
Thank you, Dharan Pandian. Now we are going to see the demonstration of this project. First, I am opening the Wireshark software. In this software, you can see number of options. In that, you can click the Wi-Fi, and then go to the capture option, and give the start option. You can see the many number of packets are running. So next we are going to log in into a website. This is techpanda.org. We are having a, email ID and a password. Email ID admin at google.com and the password. So we are going to log in. So finally I get into the dashboard of the website. Now we are getting into the Wireshark and going to stop the process, and we are going to filter. You can see four packets. In that, click the option with the info post, double click that. You can see a new tab opening, and in that option we have hypertext transfer protocol. Go to the below option, and you can see at the final last line, we have logged in using admin at google.com and a password. So we have finally reached our process. The username and the password we have logged in will be found by using this Wireshark tool. So the rest of the things will be continued by our teammate Sai Kumar.
In this way, in this way, we, ca- we demonstrate our project. And finally, we got the Wi-Fi. Finally, we got the password and the email of the user by using the software Wireshark. In this way, we can hack uh, users' password and email by using this software as we shown to you. Thank you. Any queries?
So that's all about our project. Uh, Thank you.